The cordless shade is great for families with kids and pets. Instead of using a cord to move the shade up and down, there's a metal bar behind that shade that helps to operate it without touching the fabric with your hands. To move the shade, simply pull the bar down and click it into place to release. The cordless mechanism is weight and size sensitive. If you don't see your desired size in the drop-down menu, please send us a custom request through our website. For the cordless shade, you should be able to reach the window top with your hand to be able to pull the bar when needed. If you cannot reach the top of your window, we would recommend to order motorized shades. You will get all the screws and brackets according to the type of installation, inside or outside. The brackets are slightly different. For an outside mount, they look like L-shaped brackets, and for the inside, they are square-shaped clips. Also included in your package are wall anchors that are only required for drywall. If you mount your brackets into wood, you only need screws. For an inside mount, you will need to install it into the ceiling of your window frame. Hold the window bracket about 3 inches from the edge of the window frame and mark with a pencil the spots where the screws should go, about ½ an inch deep. Do the same with the opposite side. If you have a wider window, also install an additional bracket in the middle of your window frame. We recommend to pre-drill the holes to avoid the window cracking when you attach the bracket with the screw to the frame. Then, screw the brackets in and you're all set. Insert the mechanism into the bracket. Place the mechanism on an angle against the plastic ridge below the button. Push it forward towards the bracket and click it into place. When attaching your Roman shade, place the piping above the mechanism to ensure there are no gaps. An outside mount is used for both installing your shades outside your window frame and for installing your shades over your door window. When measuring, make sure you have at least 3 inches of vertical space above and at least ½ an inch to 1 inch of space on each side to make sure that the blind does not interfere with your lock and handle. For door window installations, we add side flats on the shade to hide the sides of the mechanism. First, install the side flats. Make sure you install them at the edges of the width that you measured above the window frame. Mark the spots for returns and brackets with a pencil and use a drill to screw them in. Now, insert the mechanism into the bracket. Place the mechanism on an angle against the plastic ridge below the button. Push it forward towards the bracket to click it into place. Line up the piping above the mechanism and attach onto the mechanism and around onto the returns. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your blinds.